Hello, 4th and 5th grade. Mr. Crape here. And today I want to do some 16th note challenge work. We've talked about 16th notes, and you're probably saying, not again, Mr. Crape. Those are easy for us. Well, now it's time to put them in combination. And when you put 8th notes with 16th notes, it gets kind of tricky. So here's our song today. It goes like this. Question, question, I will play a question, but listen to the rhythms that I create. Answer, answer, I will play an answer and try not to hesitate. Fun song, let's learn it. I'll clap it or play it on sticks and you can play it back. Oh, you don't have sticks? Go find some. Get some markers, get 2 wooden spoons. Obviously ask your parents if you're taking those. Or get 2 sticks, something you can click together like this. Drumsticks would work. I have these sticks. You'll have to be creative. I know you don't all have sticks. So you'll have to figure that out, but you're smart and I know you'll do a great job. So here I go. I say it and you play it back. I'll kind of do it twice. Question, question, I will play a question. Your turn, go. Question, question, I will play a question. But listen to the rhythms that I create. Repeat that. But listen to the rhythms that I create. We have to put this together now. My turn and then you'll play it back. Question, question, I will play a question, but listen to the rhythms that I create. My turn. Answer, answer, I will play an answer. Your turn. Answer, answer, I will play an answer. And try not to hesitate. Your turn. And try not to hesitate. Let's put that last part together. Answer, answer, I will play an answer and try not to hesitate. Do it all together. Answer, answer, I will play an answer and try not to hesitate. Let's do the whole thing. Here we go. Question, question, I will play a question, but listen to the rhythms that I create. Answer, answer, I will play an answer and try not to hesitate. I'll include a picture of that music so you can practice it below here, so you can click on that as you're working on this assignment. Well, that's only part of the assignment. Now you've got to make up your answer and question. And to do this, you're going to need a partner. You can use your mom, your dad, your sibling, probably not your cat or dog. They probably can't play it, but maybe. But mostly you need somebody who can play something back. So let's go through some questions we could create. The first one is right here. This one goes like this. 1 E and 2 and because this is my 8th note, and a lot of kids get confused about that, but let's check it out. 16th notes always have 2 flags at the top or 2 bars at the top, but 8th notes do not. They have 1 bar. So this note is longer than one of these notes. In fact, it equals 2 16th notes, because an 8th equals 2 16th notes. If we had a tape measure here, we can pull it out and see that an 1/8 inch is this big and a 16th is 2 16ths fit in an 1/8. If you do any construction with your parents during this quarantine, working on your house, remodeling, anything like that, and you have to measure something, you're going to talk about 16ths and 1/8 if you're really going to be accurate in your measurement. So here we go. This goes 1 E and 2 and or teary, teary, teary. So that is going to be our answer and question. I'm going to play this to you, and you're going to play it back. Okay, let's try it. Question, question, I will play a question and listen to the rhythms that I create. Answer, answer, I will play an answer and try not to hesitate. Did you hear my voice showing what you should play back? I play this, you play it back. Let's try another one. Answer. Oh, maybe we should practice it first, but this one's pretty easy. T, 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 T. I think you can play that one back. Here I go. Question, question. I will play a question, but listen to the rhythms that I create. Answer, answer. I will play an answer and try not to hesitate. Question, question, I will play a question and listen to the rhythms that I create. Answer, answer, I will play an answer and try not to hesitate. 1 E and a 2 E and ba 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 ba. 1 E and a 2 E and ba 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 ba. Notice how this 16th pattern on the first one, it was over here, now it moves. So we've got 1 E and one beat, 2 E and or teary, 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 tee. Teary, 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 tee. Your turn. Teary, 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 tee. Good job. Question, question. I will play a question and listen to the rhythms that I create. Answer, answer. I will play an answer and try not to hesitate. Question, question. I will play a question and listen to the rhythms that I create. Answer, answer. I will play an answer and try not to hesitate. You see it? T, teary, T, 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 teary, T, T. Sorry, I may have been covering it up with my stick. Answer. Oops. Question, question. I will play a question and listen to the rhythms that I create. Answer, answer. I will play an answer and try not to hesitate. Ta. Shh. Because remember, a ta is equal to a 16th note. So that is teary, teary, ta. Would fit, these 4 notes would fit inside, if we put them inside, a quarter note. Which is why it's like ta. Shh. It seems incredibly slow, doesn't it? That's because it's worth, like I said, 4/16. All right, let's do one more. Question, question. I will play a question and listen to the rhythms that I create. Answer, answer. I will play an answer and try not to hesitate. Okay, so I have a whole bunch of rhythms that I just showed you and practiced. Your job, your challenge, is to say the song. Question, question. I will play a question and listen to the rhythms that I create. Answer, answer. I will play an answer and try not to hesitate. And then you need to pick one of these rhythms or 2 of these rhythms and play it. And then have your partner play it back. So I could play teary, teary, tee, teary, 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 tee, teary, tee, 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 tee. Teary, 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 tee, teary, 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 tee, 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 ta, tee, tee, ta. Teary, tee, teary, tee, 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 teary, tee, tee. That was a hesitation. You don't want hesitations, okay? Ta, sh, teary, teary, tee, teary, 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 tee, teary, etc. So figure out, go ahead and learn a few of these rhythms and be able to play them. Have your partner play them back. And if you don't have a partner, well then just play the question and then play the answer. The big thing you're going to want to not do, though, is just go. Because that's so kindergarten. That's so first grade. That's exactly what first graders and kindergartners will do when they don't know what to do. They'll just sit there and go like that. And that's not what we want to do. What we want to do is play accurately and with control. And I know you can do it because you will practice it. It may not be the first video you produce. You may have to produce several to get it right. But I'm confident you'll work hard on it. I appreciate everything that you're doing. Don't forget about the virtual music talent show. Be sure to work on that and get me a link for that or a video of that so I can include you. Have a marvelous day. Goodbye.